Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's see what the cards are in store today for us. That's a beautiful card, but I would say you are looking away from the opportunities that is coming your way. You're just looking away saying that it's okay, I don't want anything. Maybe you are more on a giving up zone. Don't give up. Sometimes all days are not the same. Some days are good and some days are bad, but that doesn't mean you give up, or that doesn't mean you just say that no, it's not meant for me, so maybe that is why I'm not getting it. Maybe it is not meant for you today, and maybe you will get it in the near future. Let's see what the next card says. Focus on your third eye. I see this. I don't see this as the queen of coins basically. I think focus on your third eye, though the brightness is above the third eye here, but I feel you need to focus on your goals, focus on your work, focus on what you feel is lacking for you to be successful, and to focus what we should do. Let's see what the card is doing. Okay, do something extraordinary, go out of the box, do something wild. When I say do something wild, maybe think, sit and plan. What should I do that the day should be in my favor? What should I do that the things should be well? But overall I see that things will be good, everything will go well, but just that you are giving up. Overall I'm seeing yourself as giving up, so don't give up today. Plan and say, okay, today is not mine, but tomorrow is mine. I will work towards my tomorrow. I will make my tomorrow better, and I will see to that I achieve what I want. And I'm sure you will not give up and you'll be happy. Let's see what the last card says for today. Longing for home. So maybe that is one thing. We all long for some things in life. Maybe you're missing your personal life, or you're missing the happiness you used to have in your personal life. That is the root cause of all the issues. We are our own makers, creators, and we are our own destroyers, is what I always say. So create that happiness around you, work for that happiness around you, and I'm sure you're going to be happy. You're going to get what you want, and you'll be happy with what you want. Have a blessed day. And okay, before I close, maybe today what you do is, in the morning, burn a camphor in your altar, not a lamp this time. Burn a camphor, saying everything that is creating the obstacles in my life today is going, and I am not having any issues at all. And today wear something in pink, and if you can't wear something in pink, then carry something in pink. And if you have a clear quartz, then carry the clear quartz with you for your day to be without any obstacles, and for you to get clarity as to where what is going wrong. Have a blessed day.